don't know if we're going to get a signal, guys. It is so hot right now. Come on, little guy. This is how busy it is. They're going in the sea. Going to the sea.
No, I'm not sitting in the middle of a bunch of screaming puppies.
Yes. Hi, Melanie. Melanie's on. This is how warm and busy it is on this beach. I've had to put my sunglasses on, so I can't really read the comments. But look, oh, I'm in the water. It is very, very busy. So we were parked right at the top where the coach park is. So we're kind of heading our way towards the coach park. It's near the model railway, I think. Some model railway. But you know I love Bridge Beach. We walked on this beach. We walked all the way down there last year. Do you remember? Was it last year, year before? And it wasn't as busy as this. So there is the ocean, there is the North Sea. So this is Bridlington, although you'd think you were abroad right now because it's about 27 degrees, but it's a lot cooler here than back at home. So only here for the day, heading back in a few hours. Well, not heading back directly, but going out tonight somewhere else. So yeah, I just thought I'd jump on and share this. Look, so many people. It is very, very hazy. So many people about. Should we go a bit further into the sea? Here we go. Smile, Andy. He's got that bag, you know, the bag from TikTok shop. That's the rucksack. But you can't buy it anymore. Oh, this is nice. It's actually not cold. It's not as cold as you think. So this is Bridlington Beach in East Yorkshire. So you go around that cliff up there. That's where Flamborough Head is. If you remember, we walked there last year. We'll do the walk again next month. So, but it's really nice. It's not that cold actually in the sea. Actually quite warm. Oh, thanks, Siobhan. So we're here because it's a day trip, but it's also my birthday tomorrow. So that's another reason why we're here. I love Bridge. Last time it was this warm though in Bridge, like, was around my 30th birthday. It was 3 years ago. But yeah, it's so busy, look. It's a beautiful beach. It was so busy on the south side, you know, near the spa. Thanks, Siobhan. I know I always get a good signal on this beach as well. Absolutely stunning. Although I try not to stand on the rocks. Are we finding a space to sit down? No, this is just using my data. I think I'm on 3, but I know I always get a good signal. So we're going to find a spot to sit down because we don't need to be up at the coach park yet, not for another 2 hours. I'm hopefully enjoying this, and it is really nice in the sea. I'm not going to go any closer, I don't think. Thank you for joining, guys. If you're new, hit the follow button. These are the travel broadcasts that I like to do. We do games and cookies and other things as well. So, oh, there's a speedboat. There was a speedboat. I've been on that. I went on that 3 years ago. It goes right out to sea and then it turns round. Oops, and then it goes back down to the harbour. Oh, well, yeah, it was hotter, yeah. Yeah, you're right, Melanie. But when I've been here, that is. Battery went onto low power mode. I'm near all the rocks now, so. Let's watch him go down. Look at that sun, guys. I kind of wish I was staying overnight now. Brid's one of them places is when you can come for the day, but you really want to stay over if you can do. But I will be back in Brid in October. So I'm going to come out of the water now because it's a bit pebbly. It's a bit rocky. Look at all the people. So I'm going to end it here, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And as I wanted to come on and just show you a beach walk. So where's the sun? The sun is all the way over there. I'm going to go and sit down now and take in the views. So it's a bit pebbly up this side. So have a really nice day, guys. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Andy. Andy says bye. From sunny Brid, I will leave you with the sound of the ocean.